My job requires me to be on my feet all day long, and I'm starting to feel the effects. At the end of the day, I really feel it in my legs. What's going on?
Well, the complex circulatory system in our legs can begin to weaken with age. When it does, it can result in discomfort in our legs. To help provide relief, we at Life Extension developed our Youthful Legs formula. This unique formula helps maintain healthy circulation in leg veins.
I found out that Youthful Legs is formulated with a sweet orange extract that's been available in Europe for over 30 years. I'm so glad I looked to Life Extension to learn more.
By inhibiting inflammatory factors to support healthy circulation, it also helps to maintain healthy tone and elasticity of your veins, which in turn promotes healthy, comfortable legs.
With Youthful Legs, there is no slowing me down. And good thing, too. I have way too much to do. Hi, Bill. Sure, I can send it over. Great, give me 2 minutes. You got it.